If you want to find out how you can create and run your very own commission-generating affiliate sites that Google loves without ever writing a single word, touching any code, or spending a dime on traffic, then watch very closely. You're about to discover the world's first ever app that lets you build 100% AI-generated authority affiliate sites that rank high on Google, drive free organic traffic, and generate Amazon affiliate commissions every day. It's a fully automated, AI-powered system that lets even complete beginners build their first affiliate website with a single click. You can have your site live in just minutes, even if you've never built a site before. No writing, no complicated prompts, and absolutely no experience is needed. What makes AuthoritySites AI so special? We're talking about a system that takes everything Google is looking for, in-depth, authoritative content that fully covers a topic, and fully automates it. Google loves these types of sites. Why? Because they answer every possible question someone could have about a niche or a product. AuthoritySites AI builds trust with search engines and site visitors by creating detailed product reviews, how-to guides, and answers to specific questions people are searching for before they buy. And with over 5,200 pre-filled niches inside, you'll never run out of profitable topics to build your sites around. Imagine this: you pick a niche, click a button, and in minutes, you have a fully loaded affiliate site that ranks high on Google and is ready to pull in free traffic and affiliate commissions. No other software does this, and that's what makes AuthoritySites AI so unique. Look, online shopping is at an all-time high. People are spending more and more time researching products before they buy. They're looking for trustworthy sites with expert-level content. And that's where AuthoritySites AI comes in. This software creates authority sites, not just random blogs, but full-blown resource hubs that Google rewards with free traffic, ranking them high because they cover every aspect of a niche. These aren't basic affiliate sites. These are trusted sites that Google sees as the go-to destination for niche-specific content. And the more trust Google has in your site, the more traffic it sends your way. And the best part is that AI does all the work. It literally takes seconds to set these sites up. All you have to do is pick a name and a domain, decide which topic or niche you want to focus on, click one button, and that's it. Your site is instantly created and ready to attract free traffic, turning it into affiliate clicks 24/7. The software is using our custom AI model that was trained by studying thousands of top-ranking affiliate sites on Google. It learned from the best affiliates how to write amazing content and become authority sites. And now, with just one click, you can pick any popular topic and have the app build a full-blown affiliate niche site that ranks high in search engines and ready to bring affiliate sales. Every day, these sites automatically rank higher in Google and Bing, reaching more people who are actively looking for information or needing help with deciding on the right product to buy. It's like having a digital writer and a salesman who never sleeps, constantly writing useful articles and showcasing the best products to the right people. This free traffic snowballs every day, while your site turns it into affiliate clicks. All these pages are optimized to show up on Google for very specific terms that people are typing into a search bar right at this moment, and you don't ever have to worry about SEO, content, or writing a single line of text. You can literally build the site, pop in your affiliate IDs, and never touch it again. The software will work quietly behind the scenes, pulling free traffic and directing people to the hottest products via your affiliate links. So how exactly do these sites work? In addition to hundreds of helpful articles, the software automatically writes detailed product reviews promoting the hottest products on Amazon. Every time somebody comes to a site, clicks an Amazon affiliate link and buys, the site owner earns commission. With millions of products to choose from, the earning potential is enormous. Plus, Amazon's trusted brand makes it easy to get people to buy from your links. You are literally 3 easy steps away from owning a 100% automated affiliate site filled with hundreds of AI-generated articles. Step 1. Purchase the AuthoritySites AI app. Quickly grab your account before the price increases. Please keep in mind that the price goes up every 60 minutes, so hurry up if you don't want to pay more later. Step 2. Log into the dashboard and create your site with a single click of a button. With over 5,200 pre-filled niches, AuthoritySites AI gives you endless opportunities to target the exact audience you want. From tech gadgets to beauty products, from fitness gear to home decor, you name it. AuthoritySites AI has it. Step 3. Enter your affiliate ID to instantly turn your site into an automated affiliate machine. With a single click of a button, you can instantly add a detailed product review for any product on Amazon. And that's it. Your job is done. Let the AI do the hard work, building a fully loaded, highly ranking authority site for you, complete with product reviews, detailed guides, and in-depth content optimized for search engines. This system works so well that we've seen our sites making their first affiliate sale within the first 2 weeks. If you go through all the tutorials, do everything I show you inside the dashboard, and you still need help after 14 days, I'll personally work with you via email to make sure your site is a success. That's how confident I am in AuthoritySites AI. If you're just starting out and want to build an automated affiliate site fast, then AuthoritySites AI is for you. And just think about that. For less than most people spend on coffee every week, you can have a completely automated affiliate site with AI-generated content. But it's not going to be priced this low for long. The price goes up every day, and after this launch ends, it will be priced at $97. So hurry up to lock in your best deal before it's too late. And if you try AuthoritySites AI and need help with something, our dedicated support team will work with you each step of the site building process until you're comfortable with it and your site is up and running. Or if you feel like this software is not for you, just send me a quick email within 30 days, and I'll refund your entire purchase the same day, no questions asked. Whether it's 30 minutes or 30 days from now, for any reason whatsoever, if you want your money back, you can get it, because I want to keep you as a customer only if you're 100% happy with my software. And I know that you're going to love it once you start seeing the results. The price will be going up without warning, so click the buy button below this video to get your account now.